Hi, I'm Ryan, Project Manager with the Franklin, North Carolina office of America's Home Place. We're at a Jillian A, which is approximately 1,400 square feet in Cherokee, North Carolina. As you enter the Jillian, you come into the living room. Right next to the living room is the kitchen. Comes standard with an island, complete with a receptacle on the end to plug in phones, laptops, whatever you want. We've even got the USB receptacles. This house came standard with a dishwasher, range, and a microwave. This would be where you would put your dining room table, right across from the kitchen. And right in here is the utility room. One of the customizable features that we offer with America's Home Place is you can upgrade your floors from hardwood or carpet to what is called LVT flooring. That's luxury vinyl tile or luxury vinyl plank, that's LVP flooring. It has the look of real wood while offering all the benefits of being scratch resistant and waterproof. Off of the living room is the master bedroom. Nice big open area for a king bed. This is the master bathroom with a large enough vanity that you could have actually extended it just a little bit and done a double vanity. To the other end of the house, there is a bath 2. Both the bedrooms on the end of the house have walk-in closets. Also, there's a linen closet at the end of the hall with another very large walk-in closet for storage, office, your kids' extra bedroom. If you'd like to see more of the Jillian A or any of the other floor plans that we offer, visit us at americashomeplace.com and like and subscribe.